Welcome back to another tutorial for the eFootball game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up eFootball on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage and you have logged in order to optimize your graphics, just navigate to the extras page. From here, go into game settings and then go into the screen option. Here you will find the display quality. If you go into the display at the end, you can choose your frame rate based on your monitor's refresh rate, or you may also set it to unlimited. For the VSync option, you should only turn it on if you notice screen tears within your game. Then within the display quality option, you have the various different presets, like the low, medium, and high preset. If you go into custom, you can choose your own resolution scaling, choose to have depth of field enabled or disabled, and also choose your texture filtering settings. There is also the motion blur, the bloom option, as well as ambient occlusion, shadows, post-processing, lens simulation, effect, cloth simulation, and various other details. Try using the highest preset first for all of these settings, and then see a match to see your performance. If your performance isn't as satisfactory, you can try reducing the quality of the goal net, the spectators as well, and you may use a low or medium quality shadow. But before turning all of these down, you can also try reducing the resolution scale to about 95 and 90%. If this performs fine, then you can leave your settings as it is. Through this method, you can find an optimal balance of performance and quality within your gameplay. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize your graphic settings on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.